Introduction to School Administration. Introduction to the module. This module will teach you the basics of school administration and the processes involved in creating suitable learning environments for the students and the teachers. You will also gain an understanding of the school curriculum, how to effectively communicate with your colleagues, performing administrative tasks promptly and efficiently, and what is expected from you within a school's environment. You will also gain an understanding of school management and the skills required to be a competent and capable school administrator. Topics to be covered in this module are guiding principles, learning experiences, communication skills of an administrator, requirements and common tasks of a school administrator. Guiding principles. There are several principles that schools should follow in order to plan their curriculums. Schools must ensure that students can learn effectively, progress according to their individual abilities, and have various options that coincide with their interests and academic pursuits. Primary and secondary school curriculums should always consider learning as the main priority. They should also positively contribute to the welfare of each student and be adaptive to suit the structure of each school. Curriculums should be balanced and diverse, ensuring that students are equipped for their future when considering further study and employment. Learning experiences. There are 5 vital areas of learning for schools to consider when creating curriculums. First is moral education that allows the students to adapt positive beliefs and attitudes in their lives. Second is developing the students' intellectual abilities and expanding their knowledge. The third is understanding how to be a respectful, honorable, and responsible member of society. The fourth is learning how to have an active and healthy lifestyle. The fifth is to provide the students with professional and career development activities which involve career goals, vocations, training, and employment ethics. There is also a great deal of life-wide learning that takes place outside of the classroom and within other authentic contexts and settings. This can be in the form of cost-effective visits to places of national interest, for example, museums, galleries, field trips, and using school resources. Outside of the classroom, students learn effective life skills such as how to manage their emotions effectively, activity-based training such as problem solving, team challenges, and leadership training. Learning both inside and outside of the classroom significantly contributes to lifelong personal development. Communication skills of an administrator. School administrators are skilled communicators. They are able to work independently as well as being a team player, and they establish good working relationships with people of all levels. We are now going to look at the communication skills an administrator should have. The skills include communicating with colleagues, liaising with others during conversations, meetings, and interactions. This creates a link between organizational structure and individual responsibilities. Communicating and representing the school's vision. Believing in the school principal's ideas that are often defined by teachers and senior staff members' policies, decisions, and feedback from the school stakeholders. School administrators also have to communicate and understand the team objectives the school principal has set out. Communicating professional ethics. Maintaining high standards for the institution. Communication and promotion. creating instructions, guidance materials, programs, and implementing systems for the development of students, teachers, and staff members. Requirements and common tasks of a school administrator. As well as having excellent communication skills, school administrators are proficient at using computers and various IT office programs. They are also able to prioritize and multitask their work according to tight deadlines. We are now going to look at the daily tasks of a school administrator. These tasks are office administration and front of house responsibilities. This includes welcoming school visitors, answering phone calls, distribution of posts, writing letters and managing emails, maintaining the records database, ordering stationery and equipment, as well as keeping the office clean and tidy. Daily maintenance of the school. This includes updating notice boards, emptying the lost property section, and assisting with facilities management, such as keys and the upkeep of the school building. Meetings. This involves booking meeting rooms and organizing the meeting room's furniture, circulating documents before the meetings, taking minutes at meetings, and arranging refreshments. Hiring workspaces. This includes creating invoices, reconciling company credit cards, liaising with the finance department for payments, and hiring the necessary equipment and security. Managing online classes. This consists of taking booking requests, processing online payments, responding to queries from participants, and preparing documentation. Marketing and supporting events. This includes organizing guest lists for internal and external events such as schools' performances and the special occasions that may be taking place. This is the distribution of invites via email, post, and within local communities, managing ticket sales, organizing refreshments, assisting with photo shoots, arranging events, programs, and newsletters. General administrative duties. This involves creating student timetables, supplying ID passes, arranging travel and accommodation, including overseas travel, housekeeping, replenishing stock, and other ad hoc administrative tasks as required. Summary. In this module, you have learned the following: the standards and value of the curriculums and how they vary between schools. The key learning areas that need to be considered when creating the school curriculums to aid intellectual learning and students' lifelong development. The required communication skills of the school administrator and how these skills contribute to the role. The tasks and responsibilities of a school administrator to ensure the efficient daily running of the school, helping to create a suitable learning environment for students, teachers, and staff members.